Amazing animal facts. The glass frog. An expository overview. The glass frog, also known as the Centralenidae family, is a remarkable amphibian that has captivated the curiosity of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Known for its unique translucent skin, which allows you to see the internal organs through its body, the glass frog is a stunning example of nature's extraordinary adaptations. This expository write-up will explore the physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, reproduction, and the conservation status of the glass frog, shedding light on why this little creature is such a fascinating marvel of the natural world. Physical characteristics. One of the most striking features of the glass frog is its transparent, lime-green skin, particularly on its underside. This transparency is a defense mechanism that allows the frog to blend in seamlessly with its surroundings, providing excellent camouflage from predators. The transparency of the frog's skin enables us to observe its internal organs, including its heart, liver, and digestive system, making the glass frog a true wonder in the world of amphibians. Glass frogs are small in size, typically ranging from 2.5 to 7 centimeters in length, depending on the species. They have large, round eyes that are often a vibrant yellow or orange in color. These eyes help the frogs navigate in the low-light environments where they live. The glass frog's webbed feet aid in climbing, as these frogs are arboreal, meaning they spend most of their time in trees or on vegetation. Their legs and body are generally slender, allowing them to move nimbly through their forest habitats. The transparency of their skin is more pronounced in species like the Greening's glass frog, Cochranella greeningi, and the northern glass frog, Hyalinobatrachium oryntol, but it is a common trait across the entire family. The translucent appearance of the belly helps the frog remain concealed from predators while resting on the underside of leaves, where it can blend into its environment. Habitat and distribution. Glass frogs are primarily found in the rainforests and cloud forests of Central and South America, from southern Mexico to western Panama, and down to Ecuador, Venezuela, and Colombia. They inhabit humid tropical and subtropical environments, where they are often found on the undersides of leaves, primarily along rivers or streams. These frogs prefer high humidity areas and are typically found at elevations ranging from 500 to 1,500 meters above sea level. The dense vegetation in these forests provides the perfect hiding spots for glass frogs, protecting them from both predators and the elements. They are highly adapted to these environments, where the canopy provides a shaded and moisture-rich habitat that is vital for their survival. The proximity to water is essential for their breeding, as glass frogs require a moist environment to lay their eggs. Most species are arboreal, living high in the trees, but they will descend to the ground near water to lay eggs in temporary pools, puddles, or streams. These breeding sites are typically located on the underside of leaves or branches overhanging water, which is crucial for the development of their tadpoles. Behavior and adaptations. The behavior of glass frogs is as fascinating as their physical characteristics. These frogs are primarily nocturnal, coming to life during the evening and night when their environment is cooler and more humid. During the day, they tend to remain still and blend in with their surroundings, often resting on the underside of leaves to stay hidden from potential predators. The translucent skin of the glass frog serves as a critical adaptation, allowing the frog to remain less visible to predators such as birds, reptiles, and larger amphibians. This camouflage, combined with their small size, makes them difficult to spot in the dense, leafy environment they inhabit. The frog's ability to remain still for long periods helps it avoid detection, while its transparency allows it to remain practically invisible to animals lurking below. Glass frogs also have a distinctive defense mechanism. When threatened, they may freeze or remain motionless, further enhancing their camouflage. Some species will even hide their eyes by closing them tightly, which reduces their visibility and makes it more difficult for predators to detect them. Diet and feeding habits. Glass frogs are insectivorous, primarily feeding on small invertebrates such as ants, beetles, moths, and flies. Their diet consists mainly of small arthropods that they catch using their long, sticky tongues. They hunt primarily at night, using their keen eyesight to detect movement on the leaves and branches where they reside. While the frogs are skilled hunters, they are also preyed upon by a variety of animals, including snakes, birds, and larger frogs. To protect themselves, glass frogs will use their extraordinary camouflage, making it difficult for predators to spot them, even when they are in plain sight. Reproduction and life cycle. The breeding behavior of glass frogs is equally intriguing. Mating usually occurs during the rainy season, when the male frogs call out to attract females. They use vocalizations to communicate, often calling from a perch on a leaf or branch near water. The calls are designed to announce the male's presence to potential mates, and successful males will mate with multiple females during the breeding season. After mating, the female lays her eggs on the underside of leaves or other vegetation that hangs over water. These eggs are often laid in clusters and are guarded by the male until they hatch. The male glass frog remains on the eggs, guarding them from potential predators such as insects and other amphibians. After about a week, the eggs hatch into tadpoles, which then fall into the water below, where they continue their development into adult frogs. The tadpoles of glass frogs are typically small and go through a typical amphibian development process, including the stages of metamorphosis. Once they mature into juvenile frogs, they begin their journey into the canopy, where they will continue their life cycle in the trees. Conservation status and challenges. Although glass frogs are not currently considered endangered, some species face significant threats from habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution. The deforestation of rainforests for agriculture, logging, and urban expansion poses a major risk to their natural habitats, reducing the available space for these frogs to live and reproduce. Climate change is also a growing concern, as it may alter the temperature and humidity levels in the forests, which could affect the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Additionally, the introduction of pollutants and pesticides into their habitats may impact the frogs' health, especially since they are highly sensitive to environmental changes. Several species of glass frogs, including the Greening's glass frog, are considered to have vulnerable populations, and conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitats. Many organizations are working to preserve the rainforests and cloud forests where these frogs live, as well as to raise awareness about the importance of amphibian conservation. Conclusion. A marvel of nature. The glass frog is one of the most remarkable amphibians, known for its transparent skin, which offers a fascinating glimpse into the inner workings of its body. Its behavior, adaptations, and role in its ecosystem make it a unique and essential part of the rainforest and cloud forest environments it inhabits. As we continue to learn about the natural world, the glass frog serves as a reminder of the extraordinary adaptations that animals have developed to survive in their environments. We encourage you to subscribe to Wild Wonders to stay up to date with the latest discoveries and conservation efforts in the world of wildlife. Have you encountered a glass frog or heard of it in your language? Let us know what it's called in your language in the comments below.